Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks, and we're in the kitchen to make today this wonderful sweet chili pineapple chicken wing. Okay, it is delicious. It's going to be baked in the oven, and this recipe is just fast, easy, and you're going to love it. All right, so stay tuned for the video where I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful sweet chili chicken wings. Okay, you guys, so we are in the kitchen, and here is my chicken wings soaking in vinegar and water. Okay, I'm getting ready to wash them off now and start this video. Okay, but before we get started, I just want to show you some of the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Chicken wings. Okay, we're going to be using some of our Lawry seasoned salt. We're also going to be using some black pepper. We're going to be using some of our garlic powder, some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and we're going to also be using some World Harbor's sweet chili sauce. Now I'm going to amp that up and spice that up as well as sweeten it up, because I'm also going to add some pineapples. Okay, some pineapples. So let's start this right now. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start with our ingredients. So now I'm going to cover this with some foil, pop it in my refrigerator for at least a couple of hours, and we'll be back. Okay, so now we're going to start on our sauce. Now I'm going to start off by cutting my pineapple. Because like I said, this sauce is going to be spicy and sweet. Trim off whatever little brown skin pieces that are still on here. Okay, see, such as that. Alright, and for this we're just going to use just a piece of the pineapple. Okay, put the rest in the refrigerator. Okay, so we're just going to need a piece of the pineapple. Just going to slice that into chunks. So we're going to be using our NutriBullet today, and we're going to pop this into our NutriBullet cup because we're going to blend this down into like a little puree. Okay. and we're gonna blend it out. Perfect. It's like a nice thick consistency. So we're going to start now with our sauce. So we're going to empty out our sweet chili sauce into a bowl. And this is good to put on it by itself. And this is also good as a dipping sauce. We love this. Now I'm also going to put in some honey. Okay, maybe about a tablespoon of honey. And you test the sweetness as you go along. So if you want to add in a little bit more honey, you can do that. But it's good to blend it up first as you go along, just to see if you got the right sweetness. Okay. I'm just going to add in a little bit more honey. So I would say about 2 tablespoons of honey. Yes, perfect. 2 tablespoons of honey. That made it even better. You taste the flames from the sauce because it has red chili peppers in it already. Very good. So 2 tablespoons of your pineapples, pureed pineapples, 2 tablespoons of honey, as well as a whole bottle of sweet chili sauce from World's Harbor. So what you do is just pop the rest in your refrigerator, cover it. And we'll be right back when it's time to cook our chicken. Okay, so we're back. Now I have this sitting in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, so it's nicely marinated. And now I'm just gonna pop that in my oven to start baking. Okay. So I'm just gonna check. Now I'm just gonna check my chicken, make sure that it's not drying out. Just gonna put the rest of the sauce in here so that it can blend in with the rest of the sauce that's already been put on the chicken and make a nice chili, a sweet glazed gravy. And now we're just gonna pop that back in there and let it brown. And your chili wings are done. Now this is so good, y'all. Alright, So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make your comments down below in the comment section if you want to see more recipes like this, and I'll get it out for you, okay? Alright, until the next Cooking It Up in the Kitchen with Donna, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell, and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!